Discover remote job options in microbiology, how to find them, what skills you need. If you studied microbiology and dream of working from home, you'll be happy to know there are many real opportunities today. Thanks to online research, digital labs, and global biotech companies, you can build a strong career without stepping into a lab every day. Let's go through some of the best remote microbiology jobs, what skills they need, and how much you can earn. Quality control and regulatory documentation. You can review lab reports, check test data, and write SOPs or quality manuals for biotech and pharma companies. You need knowledge of microbiology tests like sterility and endotoxin and some understanding of ISO or GMP standards. Average pay is between $30,000 and $50,000 a year, which is around R25 to RZALK 42 lakh. 2. Scientific content, writer or editor. If you enjoy writing, you can work from home, creating research summaries, articles, and course materials. You should be skilled at explaining complex scientific ideas in simple terms and conducting concise literature research. Writers earn $20-$40 per hour or $40,000-$70,000 a year. R33 Ross 58 lakh. 3. Bioinformatic or data analyst. This job is great for people who like computers and biology. You'll work on DNA sequencing, microbial data, or microbiome studies, not all from your laptop. You need basic coding in Python or R and some knowledge of biological databases. You can earn $50,000-$90,000 a year or 42 or 75 lakh. 4. Technical support or application scientist. Many lab equipment and reagent companies hire remote experts to help customers online. You explain how to use instruments, fix issues, and train users through video calls. You can earn $40,000, $70,000 a year, or 33 or 58 lakh. 5. Environmental microbiology consultant. You can analyze and prepare reports on water, soil, or air microbial data for consulting firms. This job often involves reviewing lab data and writing environmental assessments from home. You can earn $45,000, $80,000 a year, or 38 or 67 lakh, or take freelance projects for $2,000, $5,000, or 1.7 or 4.2 lakh each. 6. Online teaching or tutoring. If you love teaching, start online microbiology classes for college students or beginners. You can teach live or upload your own courses on Udemy, Teachable, or YouTube. Tutors earn $15.35 per hour, Yawarding $200 to $2,900, and course creators can earn $2,000 to $10,000 per month. John 7 Rhers 8.3 lakh. 7. Protocol, developer or method writer. Some biotech companies hire people to write, review, or improve lab methods and manuals remotely. You can earn $30,000, $60,000 a year, RAs 25 or RA 50 lakh, or $500 $1,500 per project, RA $42,000, RAs 1.25 lakh. Make sure to highlight your strong communication skills and any practical lab experience on your resume. Actively create small portfolio pieces, such as a sample report or an analysis, to demonstrate your remote capabilities. Commit to learning one new digital skill that directly supports remote collaboration, like advanced data analysis or virtual communication. Use specific search terms like remote microbiology or virtual research support on job boards to narrow down listings. Engage actively with professionals on LinkedIn and participate in relevant online science communities to expand your network. A common pitfall is sending out a generic resume. You must tailor your application for every specific remote role. Be careful not to overemphasize only wet lab skills, as employers now prioritize your analytical and online abilities too. Crucially, demonstrate through your application materials that you can maintain clear communication and work independently. Working from home in the microbiology field is rapidly becoming a tangible and rewarding career path, not just a distant dream. Whether you are a recent graduate or a seasoned professional, you gain the potential for excellent earnings and greater work flexibility. If this information was useful, please subscribe to our channel for more life science career advice and comment on which remote job you want us to explore next.